This mini printer came packaged nicely in a compact box. Thanks to Phomemo for sponsoring this video. Today I'm going to show you step by step how to use this printer. Inside the box is everything you need, including an instruction booklet explaining how to set up the printer unit itself, and a USB cable. First thing you want to do is plug in the USB cable to charge the printer. On one side of the printer is a power button. The large round button on the face of the printer can be pressed to open up the printer to reveal a printer spool. The printer spool already comes with a small roll of sticker paper with the wax backing in place. To reinsert the spool, make sure the spool is assembled properly so that the sides don't stick out when placing it back inside the printer. Otherwise, the panel door won't close. If the unit is charged up and you press the power button, you will see a green light. The next step is to install the app onto your smartphone or tablet. The Phomemo app is supported on both iOS and Android. Once installed, you can open the app and it will take you through the privacy policy, which you will need to read and accept. Make sure you allow the app to access photo and media on your device. The final step is to ensure that you have both your Bluetooth and location setups configured. When both your Bluetooth and location is configured on, the Bluetooth will detect your printer unit, which is designated as T02. Go ahead and select the T02 printer to pair the printer to your smartphone. Once paired, the app will launch where you can immediately print anything from your printer. There are hundreds of free templates and graphics provided in the app, and the OCR and scan feature make it possible to transfer the objects or words that you can then edit. Once you have selected an image to print, there are also some basic print settings, including the number of copies to print, as well as the thickness or quality of the print. Once you are ready to print, tap the print icon located on the print button. If you have inserted the printer spooler correctly, your label or sticker should start printing immediately. Otherwise, double check it and make sure you have released a small amount of the paper so that it is exposed through the printer. Then go back to tap the print button and your label or sticker should start printing. One thing to note is that this printer only prints in black and white. If you're making stickers, it's really easy to take a marker and fill in the colors directly onto the sticker. In fact, this could be a fun art project to do with the kids. I have given this mini printer to my little niece, and she is having so much fun making stickers with it with her friends. The printer is small enough that you can throw it into a purse or backpack. And if you need to entertain your little ones while out shopping, dining, or visiting friends, this mini printer can provide hours of creative entertainment. And because it comes in a variety of colors, including green, white, and this pink one, it makes a great birthday gift, stocking stuffer, party favor, and more. You can even use this little printer to make labels for your pantry jars, laundry baskets, your crafting supplies, your bead containers, your tools, and so much more.